out with my man Zoe. Tell him what it do, what it do. What's happening, man? Finna get out here, jump on this highway. Finna get ready to go to, where we finna go?
Finna hit up Summit Racing.
That's it, man. Finna head down here to Summit, get a couple of parts.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left.
Man, we ain't worried about her. Stop talking. But anyway, finna go down to Summit, get a couple of parts for the Chevy, for the 72 Chevy.
Use the left lane to merge onto I-85 South.
I think Zoe gonna get a couple of parts for the pink thing. Y'all know what it is, that pink thing. Y'all know what it is. Yes, sir. So we'll get back at y'all in a minute. Soon we get down here, YouTube. We'll be back in a minute. Right now, y'all see it. Summit Racing equipment, y'all. We here, man. There goes Zoe right there. What up, what up? Look at that old school. Look like what it is. Chevy. Road Runner.
That's what it look like.
Man, that thing nice. We'll see y'all in a minute. Let's go on up here and get what we need, YouTube. 72 Impala. Oh, what? See what's going on up in this giant. Old school truck. Lord. Thing look pretty clean. How y'all doing, man? What it is?
Yeah, I was looking at putting like some 26s on mine with the much rib pie, but the skinny much rib.
Oh.
I got those.
I gotta see somebody at the sales counter. You know, Magna Flow, man, that's a whole kit. I think you might be able to still see somebody at the front too.
Bad boy, they went up last time I've been out there.
These 125 a piece. These 40 series 114 a piece. They'll be able to tell you at the hooker. Ooh, these some good ones too. Some hookers. You want to just talk to somebody? Yeah, I'm sure they got everything up there for you. You can do that. Dang, you can't get nothing. Everything, prices of everything going up, man. Yeah. Jump in line. Say so. What you say, so?
Man, we went on got these bad boys.
Yes, sir. What you got there, man?
We got a little flow master for that old school, man. We're gonna see how that bad boy sounds. Some big pipes on them.
Yes, sir, man. Let me see. Open it up. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Man, so picked up 2 Flow Masters.
Yeah.
Y'all see it, YouTube. That's for the pink thing, man. With that X pipe, that thing gonna sound real good, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, that's what my boy Zoe got. Let me see. Let's see here what I got. Right there. Let's see what we got here, YouTube. Down here at the Summit. Making sure we got everything, man. See what we got there. Old thermostat housing. Yes, sir. Yup, that's it. Old 180-degree thermostat housing. Make sure we right. Got a fuel filter regulator. Y'all see it, Corvette style. That way we can finish up that fuel plumbing. Yeah, that look right. That's the quality kind right there, YouTube. See what else we got in here. Yep. We got AN4 fitting for the steam vent line. And we got coolant temperature sensor, YouTube. So it look like we got everything, man. That's it. Down here at Summit. Head on back up the road. You ready to get on the road, though?
Hey, get it.
All right, YouTube, we'll be back in a minute. Later.